I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can disable comments on Instagram. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Instagram app. It's an app where you can connect with friends, share what you're up to, and see what's new from others all over the world. Now open up Instagram app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on bottom right of your screen. Now select the post in which you want to disable comments. Above the post on your right hand side, there you'll see three-dot menu icon. Tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear on your screen. At the bottom there you'll see the option of turn off commenting. Tap on it. After you tap on it, this way you'll be able to disable comments on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.